G'day mates! We are in Kentucky Down Under. We are going to do Australia, Kentucky style. Trust me, it's a trip that won't be hard to bear.
We get a golf cart to drive.
They're going to trust me driving a golf cart.
No, I think I'm going to drive.
No.
Did you sign up to drive or did me?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, all right.
But
we might take turns.
If you want to drive, you can drive. So
we don't know yet.
it's okay.
We'll see.
Got my favorite Sheila. Now, got a golf cart. Look at this thing. It's jacked up, ready to go, man. We got like 4x4. Here we go. It's time to go. Interesting aspect. Love these benches, man. Look at that. You know how long it's been since I've driven a golf cart? Long time. I almost hit that. Looks like the first stop's gonna be the bird garden. Yeah, looks like this blue and gold macaw has flown the coop. Look at this. We've got a peacock. Peacock on board. Do they have a sticker for that? Peacock on board. I really don't think you can take this out of the park with you, but look at this guy. Yeah, just checking it out. Never heard of the cock of the walk, but this guy's something else. Look at his friends up here. Wow. Come on, guys. Show off them feathers.
It's a male and female, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, and here's a guy you don't want showing up at your picnic or any other time. It's a vulture. And get this, he's got a heat lamp inside his roost there. It's a little chilly today. We're talking maybe 55 for the high. I thought those guys are really tough. Never would have dreamed he'd need a binky. Of course, I'm not exactly a bird aficionado either.
This is supposed to be an African gray bird, but turn the corner and look. What is that?
It's four-legged, whatever it is.
Well, it's supposed to be an African bird.
It's supposed to be an African bird, but obviously not. Oh, I do see this sign though. Whatever it is, you, yeah. See, that's what it's supposed to be, an African gray, looks like a parrot. And that's not a parrot. Oh, dude. No. This is the guy who likes to take over your carts. No. We're gonna go. Just
here.
Get in peacefully,
I just
quietly,
need to get in. We don't
slowly.
want to get in the car. Get in.
Hurry.
Oh, you come in
Hurry.
here.
No. You take your plumage somewhere else.
Yes. So, the whole area in front of us and all behind us is I don't know. It's other animals. We got a petting zoo. We got pigs. We got the outback. That's where we're going to find the kangaroos.
I think we can pet the roos, aye?
And then they've got sheep.
Sheep, yeah.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Just want to tell you really quickly as you get here, if you're hungry, any time of the day, it's called the Outback Cafe. It's right around where the kangaroos and everything are at. You should come here. The food is really good.
I think we're going to check out the lorries now. Well, it's the land of the lorries. I don't see any birds. Am I missing something?
Well, thank you.
Oh, for being welcomed in.
Where y'all from?
Louisville.
Louisville, okay, that's right. Yeah, they only attack people from Louisville.
Okay,
Y'all go ahead.
all right.
Okay,
That's nice
See,
to know.
I'm from
Yeah.
here, Horace Cave. So
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
It's nice to know. Yeah, okay.
Fresh meat!
Okay.
Fresh meat, here they come.
So nice to get a
Nobody.
welcome.
Are they just going to fly all over the
Yeah,
place?
he's warned us. He said, be careful.
I see one over here. Okay.
Uh-oh. Be very quiet. He's hunting Lori. There's also parrots in here, too.
And
let
them choose.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yes. Well, you're going to drink all my food. And then I'm not going to have enough for anyone else. You're not going to get my ear today.
Likes to nibble on people's ears. Okay.
Yeah.
It
Hey, wait.
molted 3 years ago.
Don't you come for my ear. Put your cup
And
up.
there it is.
Put your cup up.
It'll play with your earrings.
That's what I'm saying.
They won't bite. They won't nibble on your ear all the time.
Oh, no.
Come on. See? The animals just don't like me.
He's nibbling on my skin.
Yeah.
Ah, ooh. Ow,
actually
here,
have food
here,
here.
go to him.
Ow. Ow.
He's biting me.
Okay.
Quit biting me.
They're gonna lick all over you too. They're gonna like that salt.
That
In the
was-
summertime, they'll be licking the sweat right off your brow.
That was not a lick. That was a bite. Just put your cup straight
If
out.
I want to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here he comes. He's coming.
Anybody?
Wait a minute. There he
Go right
comes.
over to it. Just
Go all the way
step
to
right
it.
off on your hand. Go ahead. Just step off on your hand.
Yeah, well,
Oh, how pretty. Oh my.
I just don't think.
He goes, I kind of like you. I like
Yeah.
the color.
Well, he,
They'll come down on that hat too.
okay. That's,
You've had enough fun?
you're a little freaked out. I think I found my home. I'm a big chicken in a pen with a bunch of birds.
This guy up here, he was just vicious.
Well, I'll tell you what, he was not happy with me. I was not making his day. This is the kind of sign that makes you pause before you go any further. We're gonna go feed roos. Emus. There they are, all the roos. Nervous mamas, they've got a couple of albino wallabies. They say they're like blind though. So we've got to be careful to be cautious when we approach them and let them approach us.
Many of the kangaroos actually are carrying babies. They say the babies are actually coming out, but today's probably the first day when we have so many people here at the park. So we really have to be careful with them because they're very nervous today.
We got a roo that was bouncing along here. Now all of a sudden he sees us and he goes, nah, I'm just going to creep along here.
I don't know how to feed them.
Now they don't tell you how to feed them. They give you this little thing here full of food. And it's a little, you know, just like you put ketchup in normally. And we're not sure how to do this. I've got to admit it's a little freaky whenever you've got a kangaroo looking at you like, what are you doing? What do you want? Success. So you just
No, you put it in your hand.
feed it.
Get down right close to it and put it in your hand. Let him lick it.
I got a bite.
Aww,
Success.
I know.
This is how the root chill, baby.
Oh my goodness. Are you tired?
Wore out.
I think you're just asleep. You've been fed all day, probably.
The roos are so friendly, but can't get near the emu.
I know the emu is a very popular.
It's a rock star.
It's a bird, right?
Yeah,
Emus don't fly though,
it's a
right?
bird. No,
Okay.
you can't get near it. It's, I don't know.
We just found the wallabies, and they have two albino, and they both are. I think they're a little blind. I think they can see, but so we have to be really careful going up to them. It has a baby.
Oh, look what we found. Baby wallaby. How cute is that? Can you see that baby wallaby? Right there.
I've got to see this face. It's an albino wallaby. Very thirsty, mama. But look at the sweet face.
We've kind of lost track of where we parked our golf cart.
We don't know, they all look alike.
So we see some people doing stuff. We thought, hey, we'll go do this before we find the golf cart, wherever it is. Look, it's ring-tailed lemurs. Okay, anyone else thinking penguins in Madagascar right now? Anybody? Yeah, see? Got to move it, move it. Yeah. Somebody's laughing right now. You were kind of a victim of that song, weren't you?
What?
Move it, move it.
Only because you sang it.
No, because you heard it. You
It's
danced.
true.
She danced. She's trying to make me. No. Mm-mm. When you're up close to them, they look a lot like a raccoon. Look at that tail. It's a lemur. Hey, buddy. He's not camera shy. I'd like to have these kind of digs in my backyard. Look at the swing. You got all the stuff to jump on. That's a man cave right there, buddy. Uh-huh. What are you doing? You gonna drive?
I'm driving this time.
Okay, I'm scaring you, right?
Do you just want to walk?
Sure.
I'll meet you up at the entrance.
But wait. You've been brave to ride with me, so I can ride with
what
you.
do I do now?
Move over. That's it. Yeah. One thing they didn't mention having at Kentucky Down Under were horses, and huge ones. I mean, they're huge. Look at the size of these horses. I mean, wow, huge. Kind of like a Clydesdale. I don't know what they are, but they are mammoth. Tried to chew on her coat. You know goats eat anything, right?
Oh, but I realized something was pulling on me and he was on the string.
Your coat looks like lunch.
Yes.
Did you see that?
Oh, he's loose.
The little baby goat just came under the fence.
I know.
Hey, little baby goat. Nanny. Hello, goat.
Go ahead.
Petting him, goat.
How you doing?
What did you find?
I'm with you today. The same one that
Oh.
that was mad at me up at the castle.
The castle. It's the mad goat. He's mad, I tell you. He's mad.
Yeah. Oh, you're pregnant.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness, you're gonna have a baby.
This goat's not mad at you.
You're gonna have a baby. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a
And
big
look
old
at his sweet
belly.
face. Well, you know,
got
for a goat.
Big old belly.
Yeah. Yeah. Show him, buddy.
I know. That's good enough.
Okay, we truly have no idea where we're going.
I don't
They
think we're
have
supposed-
walkways. Other vehicles are coming.
Okay, I assume we can go this way.
We're firing the navigator after this, just so you know.
It's now.
Okay, we found out it's a loop. And we're going down a hill very fast. I really don't know if this brake's gonna hold. Okay.
Please slow down.
Oh, there's a cliff. Oh. Got it. Gotta look calm and cool when other people go by. But wow, look at this. What are these guys?
They're Arctic silver cross foxes.
Arctic silver cross foxes. Oh, it's a pretty animal, isn't it? Wow. We just almost passed this by. When you come here, you've got to be careful you don't just zoom by everything, especially if you run a golf cart. I'm so lousy at directions. We made a
Why?
loop already. We're back to where we started.
Well, we're trying to find the camel.
Trying to find the camel.
What is his name? What did I tell you
Humphrey?
his name was?
No. It should be Humphrey. He's a camel.
Wait, I'll tell you.
Humphrey, get it?
Calvin.
Calvin.
Calvin the camel.
Calvin, no Hobbs. Just Calvin.
I'm confused. We came down this road and we passed the dingoes.
The dingoes? Okay.
The wolf would be here. That's a wolf? Does
Wolf.
that look like a wolf to you?
Yeah, wow, that guy's huge. Look at that guy.
There's two of them.
Let's see the big one. I wouldn't want to meet that out in the woods, that's for sure. Take some footage over here too.
Okay, so this is the gift shop. And then right past the gift shop is the cave entrance.
Of course, while we're here, we've got to talk about the mammoth onyx cave. We'll at least take you to the entrance. It's kind of creepy, it's dark, scary. And that's it. Then you got this walk Like you're walking down into Dracula's basement. Okay, I can't walking. It's very, very dark. I think the camera is making it look like it's more light than it actually is. Oh, good. It's locked. Okay, I can go. I really got to come back for Halloween, make a video. The reason it's locked is because you have to pay for the tour. They happen at specific hours, so. Well, there's the entrance, and we missed the tour time. Maybe next time. And by the way, you can try your luck. Maybe pan for minerals and gold. This is the gem mining display. Kind of reminds you of Lost River Cave, doesn't it? And evidently, you can actually get some gems and minerals that might be worth something here, because it's kind of pricey to do this. Like 10 to 14 bucks. So I'm thinking, yeah, souvenir. I'm really liking this totem. Look at this. You've got swan. What is that, a rat? Some kind of parrot, then an owl.
It's the peacock's face coming.
Peacock's face. Oh yeah, okay, there's his plumage. He's trying to hijack the totem too. Gee. Okay, then you come around. You got birds. Look up there at the top. Look up the top. Wow, that is cool. I want to take this home. Looks like the gift shop's not even safe for Mr. Peacock. Look at this guy, just makes himself at home everywhere. I really am the cock of the walk.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and notification bell to follow our adventures and know when we publish a new video. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and tell your friends about us. And remember, adventure is as close as the next off ramp.
Okay. Get my land legs. Okay. All right. What?
There's Calvin.
Oh, there's Calvin.
Yeah, let's go.
We found Calvin.
Calvin.
I didn't think we were going to find
camel.
Calvin. Calvin the camel. I want to get over there so bad and go, hump day, but I won't.
You know what would be funny is when you say it's hump day, he spits at you.
Yeah, no, that wouldn't be funny.
Oh, okay.
Maybe for you, but. Hi, Calvin.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, dude, what's up? He's not impressed with us. He just started drinking. When I think about it, I have never seen a camel drink water. They've always had water. And he'll even let you pet him. And he's done.